Welcome to the Random Forex Trader 2022 and beyond, episode number 21. Let's go to the charts. Here we are. I have let the last random trade, GBP CHF, it was a random buy trade, and I've let it go into drawdown $170 some dollars.
Now, after watching this Random Forex trading series, I hope you understand that if manual trading can be profitable randomly, imagine getting access to an automated trading system which sends profitable trades to your account daily, all on autopilot. If you are ready to stop trading manually and automate your Forex profits even as a prop firm trader, check the link in the description area below or simply visit fxwithterry.com for full details. Now, back to the video.
Let's go ahead and place an immediate hedge in the opposite direction. So we're at a buy at 0.1. We'll do a sell at 0.1. And then we'll analyze the chart and go into a third trade and trade out of this into a profit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit sell here. So we are in that hedge trade. Notice our margin, our free margin, basically just goes right to what our basic balance or equity is. And that gives us some room to do something. Now, let's get out of this aggressively, because I've actually let this trade set for a couple days because I wanted to do a more aggressive hedge and recovery here. So obviously we entered, we're on the 15-minute chart. You can see we entered up in this area here, and the price has just moved away from us. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this take profit that I had set. So I'll cancel that. And what I'm going to do is, if you're looking at the 15-minute chart here, obviously it looks like the price is coming down. However, let's jump up to the 4-hour and do a quick analysis here. It looks like, if you look back into recent history, that we are bottoming out, that this is most likely, although it's completely a guess, most likely probably the current price bottom. So what I'm going to do is go back to the 15-minute chart. And let's see, let's zoom out a little bit and see if that's the case. Even on the 15-minute chart, looking back into history, that's the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and do an aggressive buy in this case. So let me go back to zoom in here. We'll stay on the 15-minute chart. I'm going to do a buy at 1.0. I'm going to get really aggressive, 1.0 on the lot size. So I am going to put that in to the bid area up here, 1.0, and I'm going to hit buy. So we're in two trades, which was the hedge, the buy and the sell, and then I did an aggressive buy at 1.0 here. So basically what I'm looking for here is this bottom drawdown number. We're currently $229 drawdown. I am looking for that to get anywhere near positive, just over positive, maybe a little profitable, and I'll go ahead and get out of this trade at 0 net loss. Now, since I'm in kind of heavy and my margin level percent is 4,300, I'm going to go ahead and not go into the next random trade. We'll go ahead and recover from this. Once this is recovered, I'll show you what the profit was. Of course, it's going to be an overall net profit, and then we'll go into the next random trade. So until then, I'll see you in the next episode. If you would like to follow the Random Trader live and watch all of my trades in real time on your mobile device, tablet, or desktop PC, you can do so completely for free. I give you direct access to all of the account login details at fxwithterry.com/account login, and you'll find a direct link in the description below. So get access, download the app or the software, and follow the Random Trader live right on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching this episode of the Forex Random Trader. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. And visit fxwithterry.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.